Gramps, I don't get it. I make more money than my parents did at my age, but I'm way more broke. What the hell?
That's because they want you chasing the wrong enemy, kid.
What do you mean?
Everyone blames inflation, right? Prices go up, your dollar buys less. But that's just the distraction.
Wait, inflation isn't the problem.
It's part of it. But here's what they don't want you to know. While you're busy complaining about inflation, they're making money off of it.
How?
Businesses and sellers. When inflation happens, they don't just raise prices to keep up. They blow them up way beyond what's needed and blame it on inflation. Your salary? Can't do that. You're stuck. That's the trap.
Wait, so they're using inflation as an excuse to increase their profits while I can't do anything?
Exactly. And most people's solution? Buy gold to preserve your money. That's still losing, kid. You're just losing slower.
Wait, what? How is that losing?
Because preserving value doesn't grow wealth. If you buy gold and it keeps pace with inflation, you're still broke in 10 years. You didn't multiply anything.
So what should I do instead?
You need to actively multiply your money. Buy things low, sell them high. Flip sneakers, fix and resell furniture, learn a skill, and sell services. Turn 500 into 1,000. Then do it again.
So instead of protecting my money, I'm growing it.
Exactly. They want you thinking preservation while they're thinking multiplication. That's how you stay poor and they get richer. You need to play the same game they play.
Damn, that's the whole difference.
It's the only difference that matters, kid.